Hello and welcome to my channel, and I'm delighted to be working with BETTYCORA again, BETTYCORA nails. So these items have been very kindly gifted and this video is sponsored. So my nails at the moment, I'm going through a bit of a break. What I've been doing is wearing the BETTYCORA nails, but I've been wearing them with sticky tabs rather than the glue, and my nails are looking so much better. I don't know, yeah, you might be able to see. So where this is normally like this the whole way, but can you see where new nails grown? And that's because I've been wearing them with the sticky tabs rather than the glue. So I do find the shorter nails are better with sticky tabs. Sometimes the longer ones tend to ping off, so I've tried to pick a few designs here with the shorter length. So if I've got any photos of me wearing any, I'll pop a couple of pictures in now. So some of these are going to pop away for next spring, summer, but some of them, like this design here, is neutral. I love those. I've got a thing about daisies at the minute, or flowers. I've also got a new box design, but look at those. I love those. I've got 2 boxes of those. They're quite long, so I should use those with the glue. But yeah, I really like those. Gorgeous. So this is one of the shorter sets. Got these with the different coloured hearts on, so you've got pink, light pink and even a pale pink. They're a bit shorter, so I'll be able to wear those with the sticky tabs as well. Got some more of the spots. These will be nice for next spring, really like those. I love the neutral one and then the accent flower. What you can do actually because you get so many nails in there, 24, if you didn't want to use, say, the flowers, there's enough to go with the neutrals. And these, if you use your sticky tabs, are reusable as well. Got some more sort of nude with little hearts on. And then finally these, which are, I love these. These have just got like a little white tip. Really like those. So in each pack you get the complete kit. You get the 24 nails, you get 24 sticky tabs, you get the glue, you get an alcohol wipe, and you get the cuticle little pusher. Other nails I've bought, you don't get the little instruction booklet, so that's really helpful because it gives you a few tips to help the nails stay on for longer. Right, I'm going to give you a little tutorial of how to pop some of these on now. So what I've done so far is I've prepped my nails, so I've filed them, just filed off the rough edges, and what I've actually done is roughed up each of the nails. You can see on my nails that they're looking a little bit scratched, and that's so you get a better so the nails adhere better to your nails, then they'll stay on for a lot longer. So I've done that, and now I'm just going to wipe them over with a little wipe just to get rid of any bits of dust. And then, just so you know what I mean, you get this little cuticle stick and you just push the cuticles back, and that enables the nail to stick on and goes flush with your nail bed. So as you can see, I've sized up all of my nails already, and what you need to do is make sure that the nail fits your nail without any overlapping either side or any underlapping, as it were. So you don't want any spaces either side. That needs to fit very snugly into your nail bed. So that's why there's 24. So all nail sizes are covered there. So if you use the sticky tabs with these, they aren't actually reusable, so that means you can get a few wears out of them. And then plus, as I've just said earlier on, you get 24 nails, so you've got 2 sets really. And what you can do with these is you can actually file them. So if you find that they're a little bit too big, you can just file them down a little bit, or if they're too long, you can file them down to make them a bit shorter. Right, so we're all ready, and then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pop you on a time lapse in a minute. So I'm going to use this glue here. It's actually pink, which makes your nail look a little bit healthier, so I'm glad to see that, because normally it's just clear. But yeah, BETTYCORA offer like a pinky glue. So I'll just do the first one with you, and then I'll put you on a time lapse for the rest. So you get the glue, just put a couple of drops on your actual nail. So there you go, you can see all that nail's covered. Some people put the glue on there, but I don't tend to do that because I think you end up with too much glue either side. And then you start at the nail bed and just push it in gently. And then press it down. You can see a little bit of glue's come out at the side, so just wipe that off very quickly so it doesn't stick. and then you press the nail down. I usually hold it for about 20 seconds, but it just says about 10 seconds, just so you can see, just so you can feel it dry. So as you can see, that is well and truly stuck tight. Right, I'm going to pop you on the time lapse while I do the rest now. So there they are, all finished, nice and secure. I must admit, putting on with glue makes them a lot more secure than with the sticky tabs. The sticky tabs are great, but with the longer nails, they tend to ping off a bit. So I do prefer the glue with the longer nails. So what I'll do now is just try and avoid getting them wet for a couple of hours. But yeah, they are rock solid, beautiful. Really, really pleased with how they've come out. So these will last probably between a week and 10 days, or unless I start getting a bit bored of wearing them. And BETTYCORA actually now do a glue remover. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. I've not tried it yet. So hopefully that's going to help get them off a bit easier. Otherwise, if you wait probably between 1 and 2 weeks, they start to, you can feel them lift a little bit, and then you can just gently tease them off with the cuticle stick that I showed you. Just being very careful not to damage your nail. Yeah, really, really pleased with those. I think they look lovely. So thank you very much, BETTYCORA, for working with me. I will put all the details in the description box down below, along with our discount codes. They've got hundreds and hundreds of designs. It takes me ages to choose them because there's so many. All different lengths, short, long, neutrally colours, naturally colours, very bright colours. There is something for everyone. So I'll put all the website details in the description box, along with our discount code. So I hope you've enjoyed that one and picked up a few tips, nail tips. See what I did there? Anyway, yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, please do give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.